Salam sejahtera. My name is Lee Wen-Xiang, number metric 291634. Now I will start my presentation about how to solve the question 1 and question 2 in problem solving 4. The first question is find the inflection point of the function f(x). If we want to find inflection point of this function, we need to calculate when second derivative of f(x) is equal to 0. The first step is with derivative f(x) become 3x squared minus 6x minus 144. Then with second derivative f(x), so we got 6x minus 6. Next, we set second derivative of x(x) is equal to 0, so we will get x equal to 1. Last, we substitute x equal to 1 in the function, so we get negative 146. That's all. We get the inflection point where x is 1 and y is negative 146. Question 2a. Write out the total revenue function Rx. They are given demand function quantity x equal to 100 minus p. In order to easily calculate, we can change it to price p equal to 100 minus x. We know that the formula of revenue is price p multiple quantity q. We replace p is 100 minus x and replace q is x. Last, we got total revenue function Rx is equal to 100x minus x squared. Question 2b is formulate the total profit function. As we know that the profit function is revenue minus cost. So we need to substitute the revenue function and cost function, then use the revenue function we got just now to minus the given cost function. After calculate, we will got total profit function is equal to negative 1 over 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 11x minus 50. Question 2c. Find the profit maximizing level of output x. If we want to find maximum or minimum level, we need to find critical point of this profit function, and the formula to find critical point is where first derivative of profit function is equal to 0. First, we're going to do the derivative of profit function is equal to 0. So x squared plus 12x minus 11 equal to 0. And then we factor the equation become x minus 1, x minus 11, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 11. We can draw a graph to easy us to imagine. Due to we have two critical points, so we have three intervals which is negative infinity to 1, 1 to 11, and 11 to infinity. Next, we can use value of the intervals to substitute in first derivative profit function in order to test which interval is increasing and which is decreasing. For example, in first interval, we substitute number 0, so we will get negative 11. Because of this value is negative, so we can conclude this interval is decreasing. So the next interval we substitute number 5. We got positive value 24. So we can conclude that second interval is increasing. Next, the third interval, we use number 15. We got negative value again, which is negative 56. So we can conclude that the third interval is decreasing. After this, we can draw the graph and show where it's increasing and where it's decreasing. Based on the graph, we know that the profit maximizing level of output x is 11 because they are turned from positive side to negative side when x is equal to 11. Question 2d. What is the maximum profit? In question 2c, we already know that maximum level of output x is 11. To find maximum profit, we can substitute the value of x to 11 in the profit function, which is the maximum output we got just now. After calculate, we will get the answer maximum profit is equal to 111.33. Last question 2E. Prove that profit is at a maximum using second order condition S of C. The first step is we need to find second derivative of the profit function. As we already calculated just now, we got first derivative of profit function is x squared plus 12x minus 11. We derivative again to become negative 2x plus 12. You remember we have two critical points, which is x equal to 1 and x equal to 11. As shown, we don't know which is maximum and which is minimum. We can just substitute those two values in second derivative of profit function to find maximum and minimum. After substitute, we got answer negative 10 when x is equal to 11. This answer is smaller than 0. If we substitute x equal to 1, we will get answer 10 and this answer is bigger than 0. Based on second order condition theory, the point is maximum when we do substitute in second derivative of function is smaller than 0. So we success to prove that profit is at maximum when x equal to 11. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your participation.